Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the fonts to the Pixlr app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Pixlr app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one photo that you want to add the fonts to. After choosing the photo, here you can find the option of text. Simply go ahead and select it. Now type one thing that you want to add to your photo. After that, tap on to next. Now to change the font, simply here you can find a lot of options of fonts. Simply slide to your right, and here you can find a lot of font styles to add to your text. Now choose one that you like the most and simply tap onto the check mark. Now you can see the text has been changed and added. And that's it. This is how you can change the fonts in the photo using the Pixlr app. It is a very simple and easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.